This is the material removal rate calculator, which calculates how much material you're removing per minute during machining operations. Let's look at the 4 input fields. First, we have depth of cut dock in inches, which is how deep your cutting tool goes into the material. Next is width of cut WOC in inches, the width of material being removed in each pass. Then there's feed rate in inches per minute, which tells us how fast the tool moves through the material. Finally, we enter spindle speed in RPM, the rotation speed of your cutting tool. For our example, I'll enter 0.125 inches for depth of cut, 0.5 inches for width of cut, 10 inches per minute for feed rate, and 1000 RPM for spindle speed. After clicking Calculate Material Removal Rate, we get our results. The material removal rate is 0.625 cubic inches per minute, which tells us exactly how much material we're removing from the workpiece every minute. The reference spindle speed confirms our input at 1000 RPM. This calculator helps you optimize your machining parameters for maximum efficiency. Find the link in the description below.